Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I've done a house video, but boy, do I have a lot in store for you guys. So it's officially been a year since I bought this townhouse and so much has changed. Everything is just so different and it's really coming together as a home. But if you guys know me, if you watched any of my college videos, college apartment tours, you know I love home decor. And over the past couple months, I have definitely accumulated some more things to kind of really style and finish off the house the way I want to. So I figured I would just do a quick haul of all the stuff I have gotten so far. I have picked up a lot of just fun pieces. So I have always wanted one of these circle vases. I don't know why. Are they kind of silly? Yes, but something about it I just think is so cool. And I found this one at Marshall's for $30 and I've seen them on Amazon for upwards of like 60 to 80. So I really like the fun pattern and detail on this one versus some of the ones on Amazon are just pretty standard shape. So I love this. And a lot of the stuff I purchased is just really unique shapes. So I picked up a couple of these fun vases as well. This one's more of like a cream type color. And I just stuck a piece of fake plant in there because I will kill a real one. And then a similar piece to that, I've also just picked up this vase as well. It normally sits on my mantle above my fireplace and I just again think it's just such a fun and unique shape and it just adds a lot to the space. And then I've also realized I've picked up the miniature versions of those as well. Those ones have a gloss coat finish and these ones are more matte. So this one is a pink one with some, again, foliage throughout. And then the same kind of color, but again, just smaller and it doesn't have the gloss on it. And I just love all of the fun vases that I've picked out. Another couple things that I've been placing on my mantle are these things. They're vases as well, but they kind of remind me of like something you would see on a bookshelf together. So they have the really cute light pink and then kind of like dusty pink auburn purpley color. So I just thought they looked really nice together and they look really cute on the fireplace. And then I picked up a couple of ceramic dishes. These ones both have some really fun swirly colors on it. There's this one that's a bit darker and then the smaller version that's a bit more of a tan color that I love. So downstairs is like the guest bathroom. So when I have guests visit, usually they're downstairs on the pull-out couch. So there's just like cotton balls in here. And then this one just has some cough drops in there as well. They're cute, they serve their purpose, and I love them. And then this little guy I picked up from Target, and for the longest time I had it downstairs holding my vegetables, but I did indeed get an actual like basket for my veggies and potatoes. So instead, this is usually in the bathroom behind me. If you guys haven't seen that renovation video, I definitely recommend you guys check it out because oh my gosh, it's a big reno project. Everything is so different from when I moved in. And yes, I will be filming a full house tour very soon. I just want to get the office finished up since that's the one place I'm not fully satisfied in. I just have so many different bath bombs and soaps and bubbles and glitter bombs and all that stuff. So I have it all here on this tray. And then I picked up some more things as well. So these are some candle holders. I really liked the pattern on these. They're just white with some speckle. If you kind of look really closely, you can see there's like some speckle on it. And I just thought they added a really fun height to some of my shelving. So I just have some of these LED candles that you can place on top of them. And they're just kind of cute for when, you know, there's not much going on, but you have a little mood lighting in the background with the little fake flames. They kind of remind me of like the milk jugs you would see at the carnival that you have to try to knock down, but in a cute way, I guess. And then if you know me, I'm a candle girl. I love candles. I will always love candles. I will always support candles, whether or not they are good for my air quality or not. I just can't help myself. So these ones are from Home Goods. So I have this blue one here. I just thought the actual candle vase or the candle holder was just very aesthetic and very pretty and I loved it. And on the plus side, it smelled good. I will at least make sure I buy candles where I like the smell of them because then I feel like it's a waste if I don't light it. And then this one here is also from Home Goods. It is this fun little melted looking vase type thing. And this one's actually a citronella candle for outside to keep away all of the mosquitoes. And this one's actually an older purchase, but I also got these little candlesticks. They don't really look that great because they're not standing up straight, but again, I thought they added really nice height on my mantle or on my shelving. So they're just little cute black ones, and then some of the gray little wicks. These ones I probably will never actually light, but they're cute in theory. And then a girl loves her trays, whether she is making a charcuterie board or is just making a tray to put stuff on. So I have purchased 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's a 5th, but I'm out of hands. So most of these are from, these 2 are from Target. So this one just kind of sits in the front of the house where you can kind of throw your keys. And then this little tray I just have as decor. I throw a candle on it and it looks cute. And then the other one that you guys have probably seen on Amazon or in a lot of people's pictures on Instagram or on Pinterest is this little wooden stool thing. This one I believe I found at Hobby Lobby maybe, and it was significantly cheaper than the ones on Amazon that are like 20, 30 bucks, I want to say. This one was definitely like less than 20, and it's cute. It does its job. It just is cute, and I want to be trendy, and I love it. And then the other 2 pieces I actually picked up literally the other day. So this one is just a circle tray. They also have this in this color and then this in this color as well, but I figured I wanted them to go in 2 different spaces. So this one is just a little circle dish. I'm thinking of either putting like keys in there, or I also thought it'd be cute to have like my jewelry or something, since we are moving furniture around in the bedroom to accommodate my boyfriend that moved in. But I also have this tray that I also thought would look cute downstairs as well. This is also like food safe, so I thought around the holidays or if I have any parties, I can bring this out, and it's just a cute charcuterie board. And then speaking of charcuterie boards, I was at Anthropologie the other weekend and I picked up this charcuterie plate, and this is just one. It's such a cute book just to look through. I couldn't help myself. And also it's really good if you do like hosting like myself. I really love doing cute dinners, picnics, charcuterie boards, and there's just so many different things in here. Like here's one of the examples where it can show you how to build the tray, the things that you need, and how it's going to look at the end. So I really love this. They also have, you know, different ways to make different things for your charcuterie board. This is like a mango prosciutto wrap thing. You can style like your fruits different ways, and honestly there's so many fun things in here that it was worth it, and it was only 20 bucks, so still love it. And then the other thing I got from Anthropologie is the oil this isn't a diffuser, but the like oil stick thing. So this is the Capri Blue Volcano scent. So if you know, you know, this is a very popular brand. This is a very popular scent, but again, I have so many candles already. I figured I would get this like oil thing. Again, I forget what this is called, but this is what it looks like. It has all the sticks with it, and I'm excited to put this out somewhere for the house to just always smell really clean and fresh. And then some things that are also a little silly that I know everybody has. This one literally still has the tag on it. It's still very, very new, but it is indeed the chains. I know they're kind of silly. I'm probably gonna regret this or think it's a silly purchase like down the line. I definitely think they're really cute. I think they're gonna look good on any tray that I bought. And then I also picked up one of these, which is a holder, a book half, and I am a sucker for anything marble. That is just my brand. I love it. And the ones that are at Target are, I think, $30 a piece. So this one, I don't remember how much it was, but I know it was less than 30, if not like 20 bucks or $15. So I definitely thought it was worth it. I love the 2 contrasting colors as well. Like it's a good like material. So use it to keep my charcuterie board in place, and it's really, really cute. I forgot a tray because it was behind me. I also picked up this tray for the bathroom. I have usually a candle and some spray on here to just elevate the space a little bit. It's just so white and gray. I wanted to bring in some other wood tones, and since there's a lot of black accents in the bathroom, I really liked how there were the little black feet on here as well. They honestly kind of just look like little doorknobs that are at the bottom of it, but it's cute. I like it. And then some of the final few things, I have this fake plant that I got from Marshall's. They have many colors at many other stores. There's ones that have like the little yellow fur thingies, but this one I thought was really, really cute. And then along with my many vase purchases, I purchased this vase as well. It's very clear, and then it has some more fake plants in it because again, it's cute, it adds something to the space, and it makes me happy. And then I recently picked up some artwork for the bathroom, so I definitely wanted to keep in mind that I live with a man and I didn't want to get anything too girly since a lot of the stuff here is pretty neutral, but it definitely leans a bit pink or peachy toned. So I have two of these artworks. I love how it's glass with the natural wood, and this one is the eucalyptus, so you can kind of see here the eucalyptus, and then it kind of just has the eucalyptus signature at the bottom. And I know my boyfriend likes lavender, so I was like, look, I got a lavender one too. And again, it's just a very simple, delicate rendering of a lavender and eucalyptus flower, and you just can't go wrong because they're cute. Along with that artwork, I've been able to get a couple other pieces up on the walls throughout the house, so I'm just gonna insert some pictures of what that all looks like. I have some fake plants in the front entryway, and then I finally decided on a piece of artwork for the living room and some other fun stuff in the office. So those pictures are on the screen for you guys to look at to see what I've done. And then I have been working so hard on making my king bed feel luxurious and like a hotel bed. So I did purchase another white comforter for it, but it's literally just a white comforter. There's nothing special about it besides the fact that it can just make my bed look more fluffy, and I love that. And then waffle blankets have been a thing. I think they're trending. I think they're very popular, and they're really, really cute. So I got this one. It's in kind of a sand gray color. It's a king size, so there's no way I'm gonna be able to fit it all in frame, but this is such a nice blanket. It's just the waffle pattern, which I love, and it makes your bed look very, very nice and luxurious. Oh, okay. Okay. Last but not least, I do indeed have another fake plant that I keep at the top of my stairs, and it is so cute. So this is actually from Bed Bath & Beyond. I had a coupon, so I figured why not? And I really like the simple ceramic base. I love the shape, and it really just was the perfect size for the corner of the stairs to have something there, but without it standing out and causing access issues trying to get up the stairs. So with that said, that's pretty much everything that I have purchased within the last couple months of decorating my place, and I really like everything that I have bought recently. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed the home decor content, and I promise there will be more home vlogs coming soon. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.